What's up guys, today we're going to be doing this spinning drone effect, which I think gives such a cool perspective to the subject. I'll leave a download link to this drone clip down below so you can download it and give it a go yourself if you want. So to get these shots, I actually used the DJI flight mode point of interest, which lets you fly around the subject in a perfect circle. And you want to let your drone fly around the subject at least once or twice for this effect to work really well, I think. So you will need the motion blur plugin. It's a title plugin and you want to save it in your motion templates titles folder. I'll leave a link to it down below. It's a free plugin. This is the drone shot right here, just in normal speed. And what you want to do is select your clip and go to the start point where you want it to start speeding up. Select your clip, hold down Shift, press B, and what that's going to do is create a speed ramp. And then what I'm going to do is move along until the drone has circled it in almost a full 360. But on this part you can do whatever you want, choose how much the drone goes around the subject. It's completely up to you. I'm going to go to about here, and then I'm going to select my clip again and hold Shift, press B, which is going to create another speed ramp. And now what I'm going to do is on this middle portion, I'm going to actually speed it up by times 20. I'm going to slow it down slightly to 1500, works well on this clip as I found out when I was editing. And then with these bits, you can drag them out to get a nice smooth motion from normal speed to fast speed. The more you extend these, the smoother the transition of speed is going to be. So the final step to this effect is using the motion blur plugin. So if you go up here to titles and go to motion blur, the one I used is moderate motion blur 3, and you just want to drag this over the sped up portion of your video clip, and you can let it overlap on the speed ramps to make it look a bit smoother. But this plugin will actually only work on video clips that have been sped up, so it's not going to work on the normal portion. And now you have to let that render. So if we select the video clip and go to modify render selection, that's just going to render it out. It will take quite a while to render using this motion blur, but I think it's worth it. It looks really cool. So we're going to let that render out and then see what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so that is rendered, and let's play that back. So it looks really cool. It's actually super simple to do, but it takes quite a long time with all the rendering and stuff like that. But it's definitely worth it. I think this looks pretty cool. All of the links will be down below for everything you need. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.